Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon. As always, thank you very much for joining me once again in my garage. And today I have a very special episode. And it is a final chapter in this garage. And it is the Ford Escape. As you saw, the new vehicle has been purchased, so the old one is going and hitting the road to another family. So it's had about 10 years worth of service, 90,000 miles on it, and it has been stellar. Couldn't have any other complaints about it. A couple of fixes here and there, but as usual, that's what happens. So today, what I want to do is go back and revisit some of the things I've done to this, because you know, with this channel, years and years I've been working on it and testing out products. I want to see how they work, if they're effective, or if they were a scam. So let's go ahead and start looking into different aspects of this engine to see what these products have done over the years. Now the first area and most glaring example of something not working is the battery. If you remember, I'm going to put in the date or the time frame of when we did this. We did the battery terminal protectors, but as you can see on this negative side, it didn't protect it and I still got corrosion. This corrosion can be easily fixed just with a wire brush. You can clean it right up and it's good back to new. But this gunk battery terminal protector obviously didn't do its job. Another area that has seen a lot of work and a lot of product testing has been the oil. This thing has used and been tested for a lot of oil treatments. So if I bring up the oil cap, you can see there is no milkiness, there is nothing that is fouling it up. And a close look inside the engine, what I'm going to do is use this scope to actually check out and see what the inside of the engine looks like. And on the inside, I can see the valve right around the corner. We look around this corner, we have no sludge buildup on any of those corners right there. And go in very to the back, see if I can get it. Right over there, see, no, right there, we can see no sludge buildup, very clean. And if I turn it to the opposite direction, we can see the other side of the case. And once again, no sludge. You can see the top of it, bottom. From the top view, this rocker looks great. And the oil looks just about right. And now if I take this coil off, let's put this to the side and remove the spark plug, I should be able to tell how the cylinder looks. You can see the tip has been worn down, but there's just a very nice coffee burn mark on the porcelain, and that's just exactly what we need. We don't want it black, and we don't want it white as it's burning a little bit too lean or too rich. So that looks pretty good for a spark plug. And a look inside the cylinder, and it looks amazing. There is no actual carbon buildup. The cylinder walls look good. I'm not seeing any type of pitting on the actual piston. This looks amazing. All these cleaners, whatever happened, it worked, or maybe it didn't. But this engine is looking good. And there we go. That is it. The engine looks great. The battery, of course, those battery protectors didn't work, but a good cleaning, that'll be fine. The valve cover underneath looked great, no sludge, nothing. I wish I could have took it apart, but at the request of the new owner, I couldn't do it. But I looked inside one of the cylinders. Piston looked awesome. No carbon buildup, nothing in there. Looked completely fine. The walls look great also. But we made it. This car had 10 years and we had a lot of fun doing it. On this video just itself, I had lighting mishap. That's why I may look different. And It's pouring raining. You can probably hear the rain and the thunder in the background, but we got it through it, and this thing got us through some time too. So thank you very much for watching. This one's going, but the channel's going forward. As you notice, there's more content coming out. Sometimes it's not about the garage, but sometimes I don't have any projects. I'm sorry. But I'll keep doing projects in the garage because I love doing it. And with that, as I always say, and I mean it straight from my heart, ride safe, drive safe, and please wear your seatbelt and keep at least 2 wheels on the road.